Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to set up headers in Excel. First, navigate to the Page Layout tab on the ribbon. Then, click on the small arrow in the bottom right corner of the Page Setup group to open the dialog box. This will give you access to all the header and footer options you need for professional-looking documents. It's a simple process that makes a big difference. Once the Page Setup dialog box is open, click on the Header/Footer tab. Here, you'll see options for both headers and footers. To customize your header, click the Custom Header button. This opens a new window where you can define content for the left, center, and right sections of your header. It's very intuitive to use. In the Custom Header window, you have three sections: left, center, and right. You can type text directly or use the provided buttons to insert dynamic elements. For example, you can add the current date, page number, or even the file path. You can also format your text, changing the font, size, or making it bold. This allows for great flexibility. After customizing your header, click OK to return to the Page Setup dialog box. You can then use the Print Preview option to see how your header will appear on the printed page. This step is crucial for ensuring everything looks perfect. Once satisfied, click OK again to apply your header settings. You're now ready to print your professional Excel document.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.